Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa F8 disperser machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we had to open up the entire machine, go from the other side, remove some parts of this cover in order for us to free the unit, the unit over here that is okay inside the machine. We took it apart and did clean it. There was a lot of coffee buildup all around it, and the o-rings or most of the brewing unit were worn out, so we did clean that, replace the o-rings, put it back together, re-lubricate it, and manually descale this machine. So yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out, and we're gonna be using some water and some steam. It's at 1.5 ounces, but it can be changed to 2 or to whatever volume you would like. Perfect. Nice color, excellent crema. You can see the nice, beautiful. Water for this machine, we're gonna test it out as well. As you can see, nice steady steam coming out of there. And now steam. The machine needs to heat up in order to produce steam, so we're gonna be waiting for it a bit. Once the machine is ready, we're gonna be able to open it up and see the steam coming out through the one. Now we're ready. As you can see, nice steam coming out to the one. Looking great. Good pressure. So there you have it, Jura Impressa F8 working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for replaying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.